Hey friends, welcome to my channel. So today I have another set of cool, fun, easy hairstyles for the summer, and let's get started. So the first hairstyle is super simple and super pretty, and you're going to start off by brushing your hair and make sure that there are no knots, and then you're going to take sections from both sides like this, and then you're going to tie that with a hair elastic. Once you're done with tying the hair, what you're going to do is you create a partition like this and make a hole and pull the rest of the hair through that hole, like you're flipping the hair over, and you get something like this. Next, you're going to take sections from both the sides and you're going to do the same thing. So you're going to tie the hairs in an elastic, and then you're going to take the middle portion, the whole part, and you're going to flip the hair through. And then you're going to do the same thing for one more time. You're going to take sections from both sides, you're going to tie it in a hair elastic, and then you're going to flip it through. You can do it for 3 or 4 times. So once you pull the hair through it, your hair looks something like this, and then you take a section from the end like this and you're going to wrap it around like you're creating like a faux band with your hair, and that's it. And then you secure the ends of the hair with some bobby pins and you are good to go. Super simple, super easy hairstyle. I really like it. It looks very nice and perfect for summer. Now for the second hairstyle, I'm going to take a section of my hair from the crown region using a tail comb, and I'm going to flip that over, and then I'm going to take another section and I'm going to back comb that section. This is just to create some volume in the crown region, but if you want to skip it, you can totally do that. So now I'm taking the front section and just smoothing out everything, and I'm going to secure that with some bobby pins. Next, I'm going to divide my hair into 2 sections. So the first section starts with my ear, and then I'm going to tie that in an elastic band, creating a ponytail like this. And the next step, I'm going to take the rest of the hair and I'm going to tie that in another ponytail. So basically you're just creating 2 ponytails with the whole of your hair. And then for the first pony, I'm going to divide the ponytail into 2 sections, and I'm just creating a rope by twisting both the sections. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to wrap it around the apex of the ponytail and then secure that bun with some bobby pins and U-pins. U-pins are really amazing if you want to hold your bun properly. Next, I'm going to do the exact same thing with the second pony and just dividing it into 2 sections and then doing a rope twist and again creating a bun just underneath the first bun we created, and then secure that as well with some bobby pins and U-pins. Use a ton of U-pins and bobby pins. And that is the most simple updo. It's very easy. You can just do it for your work, office, or you can just glam it up using some pearls and stuff. You can just like embellish it and make it work for any glam occasion as well. Now for the third hairstyle, which is so easy. All you have to do is section your hair into 3 equal parts. And then you're going to start braiding each of the sections in a normal braid. So first section in the middle, just braid that section like a normal braid. And secure that with some elastic bands. Next, I'm going to move on to the other section which we have, and I'm going to do the same normal braid. And now you're going to braid the third and last section. So basically you're going to create 3 braided sections. So now you have 3 braided sections, and now you're going to use these 3 braids as your sections for a normal regular braid, and you're going to start braiding these sections. And it looks so beautiful and complicated, but it is so easy, and you're creating this braided braid. I really like it. And then once you reach the end, just tie it with the hair elastic again. So that is the third hairstyle. Super simple and so pretty. You can just fluff it out and make it look more beautiful. So if you don't want to do a braided braid, all you have to do is take these 3 braided sections and then you're just going to create a bun. Just wrap it around and secure it with U-pins and bobby pins, and you have the perfect low bun hairstyle, and it's so good for the summer. Amazing. Now for the fourth hairstyle, what I'm going to do is I'm just taking a side partition and then I'm taking hair up till my ear and then I'm just twisting that like this and then just fluffing it out just to create a little bit of volume and then securing it near my ear using some bobby pins. I'm doing the exact same thing on the other side, taking some hair, twisting it and just securing it in place near my ear using some bobby pins. Next, I'm going to bring all of the hair onto one side and I'm going to do a rope braid like we did earlier, and then I'm going to wrap it around for a low bun and then of course keep it in place using bobby pins, and that's it. It's a very nice elegant hairstyle. I seriously like it so much, and that's it. That is my final hairstyle, and these are perfect hairstyles for summer. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends and family who would love this. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.